So if you've been on LinkedIn lately and you see somebody do a post like this where that you can kind of swipe to the right or click and it goes through multiple kind of images, very similar to a carousel, and that may be what you're thinking that it is. And then you go to your actual LinkedIn to do a post and you upload a bunch of photos and you're like, that's the way to do it. And it doesn't do it. It's because there's a trick to it. And that's what I'm going to show you here in this video. And to do that, we are going to jump over to one of the coolest apps that we love. I'm sure you've heard of it, Canva. This allows us to do some really quick, fast, and clean designs, not only for our business, but for our clients as well. So here's what you got to do. You got to make it a graphic that is square. So we use very similar to Instagram, 1080 by 1080 in the size. And you got to make it a multi-page document here or multi-page design. So I've already done the work. We are going to post this. This is about our podcast that we just released. It comes out live tomorrow, but I'm going to do a kind of a teaser post and give somebody a link to the podcast in advance. So I've already done the design. 3 images here. What you have to do is download them, not as images. You download them as a standard PDF, and this was the thing that makes it work. So we're going to go ahead and download that so it becomes one file with 3 different pages. Okay, so I've already downloaded it because I recorded the video already, but my microphone was muted. Check your microphone before you record. There's your lesson of the day. So I already got it downloaded, so I'm not going to go ahead and make that one download again. So you come over to your LinkedIn, you go here and you're like, well, where's the option to put that document? It doesn't show there. It's because you have to click on start a post. When you do that, you get these additional options down below. The one you're going to look for is right here that says add a document. We're going to choose the file. I'm going to upload it here. And if we just looked at it, it's that multi-page PDF document. Click open. And you have to give it a title. So this is episode 71. Express yourself. Done. Now, like I said, I already did this before, so I'm going to go ahead and paste in the actual link here. And I'm going to go and grab the episode link from our podcast.co. Another shout out to this company, podcast.co. This is what we use for our podcast and several of our clients. What I love is even though I've scheduled the podcast to come out tomorrow, we can go grab a link to the episode page, which is live. So that allows us to do things like this by putting the links in there. Put in some hashtags as we always do with all of our posts, and we click post. And boom, there you go. Look at that. There's our LinkedIn post with the option to slide between. Very engaging. We get lots of results with that, and check it out. So these videos that I'm doing, the one that you're watching right now, are from live use cases. So when we come up with a solution to a problem or a great tip, a great tool, we create a video just like this, post it on the channel. So show us some love. If you find some value in this, please subscribe to our channel. You will see more content helping you grow your business. And if you got a question about what you just saw or something's not working, put it in the comments below. I review every comment that comes through the channel, and I'll reply and help you as best that I can. So have a great time growing your business. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the subscriber list.